Did you know there's a whole buffet of bizarre in the animal kingdom where the main course is themselves? You heard that right. Some creatures actually chow down on their own body parts. From snakes who get tangled in their own tails to spiders with a taste for their future babies, get ready to dive into the weird and wild world of self-eating animals. Forget pizza, forget burgers, because in the animal kingdom, the latest food trend is all about self-service. That's right. Some creatures have mastered the art of consuming parts of their own bodies for survival, reproduction, and even a little bit of, well, let's just call it strange behavior. Ever seen a snake so hungry it goes for its own tail? Turns out it's not just a cartoon gag. These legless wonders can sometimes get confused, mistaking their tails for prey. Thankfully, it's rarely a serious issue. But wait, there's more. Some animals take self-eating to a whole new level, turning it into a strategic survival tactic. Survival sometimes requires tough choices, and for some creatures, that means nibbling on themselves. Take the sea squirt, for example. This strange blob starts life as a free-swimming tadpole, but then undergoes a dramatic transformation, absorbing its own head and tail while settling on the seafloor. Talk about commitment. Other self-eaters like the caecilian, a legless amphibian, shed their skin in chunks and then, in a surprising twist, gobble it up for extra nutrients. But self-eating isn't always accidental. Sometimes it's a calculated move with surprising benefits. Take the case of the mama mammal. After giving birth, many species, like mice and even elephants, eat their placentas. It might seem gross, but this provides essential nutrients and hormones for both mother and baby. Now, buckle up for the truly mind-bending stuff. Some animals take self-eating to a whole new level when it comes to reproduction. The infamous praying mantis is a prime example. The female, in a move that has sparked heated debate, sometimes devours the male during or even after mating. While the reasons are still being debated, it's a stark reminder that nature can be brutal. But it's not just the males who are at risk. In some spider species, the mother might actually consume some of her eggs as they develop, ensuring the remaining ones have the best chance of survival. Talk about tough love. So, why do animals do this seemingly bizarre thing? The answer, as always in nature, is complex. Sometimes it's about survival, sometimes about maximizing reproduction, and sometimes, well, we're still trying to figure it out. But one thing's for sure, self-eating adds a whole new layer of fascinating complexity to the animal kingdom. So, the next time you think you've seen it all in the animal kingdom, remember, there's always something new to discover, even if it involves creatures literally eating themselves.